Hi, I'm Lori Taylor, the Produce Mom. For 10 years, my job was to sell and market fresh produce to grocery stores. And today, I'm focused on helping families like mine understand how to select, store, and serve their fruits and vegetables. I'm inviting you to join the 2016 Produce Challenge. Each and every month, we'll create a calendar with a specific produce department item that we are suggesting you try on each and every day of 2016. You can expect social media updates and an exclusive newsletter that will provide you with tips on recipes, selection tips, home storage tips, and more. So please click here, join today,